What's up, guys? American Mexican Gunslinger, as you guys can see. Yeah, I'm gonna check with the tape measure to see how real deep the snow is. To be honest, it looks pretty crazy, but right now I'm on the road. This is the road, literally on the road, and it's covered with snow, you guys. So if you guys are gonna travel out right now, I suggest you guys do it for rescuing, but other than that, don't be out here, you guys. It's really crazy. All right, guys, literally 6 inches of snow. Like, yeah, it's almost 6.5 inches of snow. Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Be careful out here, you guys.